All right, today we're adding some more interior carbon fiber to the Z06. What we're adding is this piece right here, which is a carbon fiber gauge cluster cover. This piece is from Extreme Online Store. Put a link right here. Basically, this piece is a cover, so you don't have to take off any interior pieces. You just place it right over the OEM gauge cluster. So like always, I'll show you guys a couple close-ups and angles and a before and after. That's it for the video. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you next time.